Are you still typing long Wi-Fi passwords every time someone asks for? What if your iPhone could share Wi-Fi passwords instantly without typing anything? Today I will show you how. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more smart iPhone tips. Let's see it in action. This iPhone is already connected to Wi-Fi. Now I bring another iPhone close and open Wi-Fi settings. I tap the Wi-Fi network I need to connect. Yes, instantly a pop-up appears here. Share password. Just tap it. Boom. The other iPhone connects to Wi-Fi network automatically. No typing, no mistake. Just one tap. Okay, now let's understand how this works. Apple uses a feature that securely shares Wi-Fi credentials between nearby devices. But there are few conditions. Both devices need to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. They should be close to each other, and both Apple IDs should be saved in each other's contact. Also, your iPhone must already be connected to Wi-Fi network. If it's not working, check these settings. Make sure both devices have Bluetooth turned on. Ensure both contacts are saved properly, and sometimes just turning Wi-Fi off and on again fixes the issue. Also, this works only with Apple devices, no Android. This is one of the easiest and smartest feature on iPhone. Once you see it, you will never type Wi-Fi password again. If this helped you, give this video a like and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more quick and useful tech tips. See you in the next time.